Today we're making a lasagna-inspired soup, and it's got everything we love about lasagna: tender noodles, hearty meat, and lots of melty cheese. And all of it is incredibly easy to whip up. To get started, we're going to dice up one large white onion. Also to note, you can find a list of ingredients and directions posted down below in this video's description box for your convenience. We also need about 4 garlic cloves, minced. And just like that, we're done chopping. Everything else is just going to get dumped right into the pot, which I love. To a large pot on the stove over medium-high heat, we're going to toss in 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to give this a minute to melt down, and then we're going to add in our diced onions. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's go. We're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring every so often so nothing burns. Then we're going to toss in our garlic, which won't take long to cook, about a minute or 2. Okay, it's time to add in the ground beef. We're going to use about 1 pound of this stuff. We're just going to break up the ground beef into smaller bite-sized pieces. While that continues to cook, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but regular salt works too, along with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and give everything a quick mix. Next goes in 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, juices and all, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 3 ounces of tomato paste. We're going to give this a quick mix and then add in our broth. In goes 4 cups of chicken broth, which is pretty much the entire standard size container of chicken broth. Lastly, all we need is an 8-ounce box of bowtie pasta. Do you have to use bowtie pasta? No. You can use actual lasagna noodles if you want, just break them up into manageable bite-sized pieces and toss them in. I picked the bowtie pasta because it looks fun. It's got the ruffly edges, similar to lasagna noodles, and it's already the perfect size. Okay, we're going to crank up the heat to high and bring the soup to a boil. Then once it's done boiling, we're going to cover the pot, reduce the heat to a medium simmer, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the pasta has been cooked to your liking. At this point, you can add in 1 to 2 cups of water or broth in small amounts to adjust the consistency if you want. I chose not to. Alright, we're ready to eat. Let's go add on a few extra toppings. To the bowl, I'm just going to top this with a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese, a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese, a big spoonful of ricotta cheese, and to top it all off, a little bit of fresh parsley. How delicious does that look? I also made and filmed this video at my mom's house, so that was nice. We ate an incredible lunch of homemade soup together. Good times. Here's an ingredients list. Let me know in the comments section what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.